Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about the how to create a dynamic table in React. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the basic React table example. Okay, so here we are using the React table for the React. So if I just search React table npm, so you will get to know about this package, and this has a pretty much good downloads weekly, and this is lightweight also. Okay, so let's integrate that one. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the code. So first of all, we are importing the use memo on the React from the React use table from the React table. So make sure you have to install this package, right? Then use memo is used here to memorize the data array so it doesn't get recreated on every render. Okay, so here we are using the use memo to create that data. After that, use memo is also used to memorize the columns configuration so it does not get recreated on every render. Okay, so here is the assessor is the key of in the data object that column should use, right? Next we have a use table hook is used to create the table instance with the given data and the columns. So here we have the use table hook that is used to create the table instance with the given data, that's columns and the data. Okay, apply the table props using the spread operator. Okay, so here we are applying the table props. So here we can see that the get table props is there, body is there, header groups is there, rows prepare. So everything apply the header group props using the spread operator. So header groups we are using. Okay, and here we are apply the individual column header props using the spread operator. Okay, individual column header props. Okay, so this is the style that we are doing. Okay, render the column header. So here we have the next we have the get table body props. Okay, so here we are prepare the row for rendering and apply the row props using the spread operator, row cells. So and here we are adding the styles and then render the cell content. Okay, we have the cell content, right? So these are the cell contents. Okay, so first one, if we are checking, so here we have the first one is the header groups, right? So here we have the column headers. So here we have the column headers, that is column 1 and the column 2. Then we have the another one that is rows. So here we are using the rows to get cell props and cell dot render cell content. Okay, so after that we have this hello world, this one is rendering. Okay, and then export the default table component in the app.js. Use that table component and import that table component. This is the basic simple example to how to create the React table. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can analyze this package much more. Okay, thank you so much, have a great day.